Here, Joy.
You have to move. Move.
Here.
I don't want it. Move. Oh, that's cool.
Move.
Whoa.
No, I got one in my pocket.
Oh.
It's going to steal Joy's.
There's no more fireworks. Wait, they're gonna come up right now. Boom! Boom! Boom!
Cool.
Ooh. You know I could send these to YouTube because I have a YouTube account. I am. I want to.
It's gonna be
Kaboom!
it's gonna be a boring video.
I don't care. I love it. I didn't
I have
see
a
it.
funny video on my thing and I don't even put it on YouTube.
Oh, boom! Boom. I think Marielle's gonna miss it.
Oh
I
yeah.
hope she is not. She's gonna be so sad.
Too bad for her.
Here we go.
Get over it.
They're big from up here.
Oh. Watch out, little birdie.
Where is he?
Just flew by.
Bang. It's so hard. I can't even hold it.
Yeah, you want me to?
Sure. Since you're better.
I saw Molly and Megan. Yeah. Before when I was getting ice cream.
They're here?
Yeah, they always come.
Oh, that was so scary. Wait, who's here? Don't you feel like
Molly and Megan.
Didn't you feel like that's gonna fall on you? Whoa, 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 please.
Remember last year when all those things fell on us? Oh my god. No, they weren't there. They weren't there yet last year.
Fall.
Oh my god.
It's falling on the ground. The fireworks are coming. Yeah. You're not.
Oh my god, Joy. Your iPad's so heavy than mine. You guys could just do that. Look. And it'll still be videotaping. Look. I'm closing it. And it's still videotaping.
So loud!
Like that, buddy? Oh, Joy, what do you want me to tell you? You got it in my back pocket. Pardon.
Myrna's coming soon. Oh my god. You can even see it on the car.
Huh? Harry. Harry, you want to hold this for me?
No.
Alright. You gotta stop this. It's getting annoying.
I'll just hold it.
Oh my.
Let Victoria hold it. She's the one who's
Better at it.
yeah. Victoria got the best spot where you can see all of it, right?
Wait.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, that's scary. I thought it was gonna fall on it. Oh, that was so little. Boom, 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 boom.
I'm getting almost all of the footage.
Don't you feel like it's gonna fall on you?
Nope.
I do.
What?
Wait, were we here last year?
Yes, we were always here. Oh my god. gosh. This is so tiring.
I didn't
You get to type on here?
What?
You get to typey type. Ew, there's a bug on here.
Where?
There.
Good job.
You get to type on here?
Yeah. Type. That's what I get to do.
Oh, my arms are hurting. Oh my gosh. Much work than I thought. Boom. Now this is much better.
Nobody is allowed to get in the loop.
Boom.
This is not I can't even hear myself.
I could.
I can. But I can hear you, but I can't hear myself.
Just talk so loud.
All right. Firework up. A firework up. No, I don't. Hey.
It's boring.
No, he doesn't.
You don't have a firework up?
It's good. So cool. Huh? No.
Oh, annoying orange.